Welcome to the step-by-step guide to installing a home EV charger, a practical and easy-to-follow walkthrough for Tata EV owners and all electric vehicle users. Understand your charging needs. Let's start with understanding your charging needs. Level 1 chargers operate on a standard 120V socket and charge slowly, ideal for light users. Level 2 chargers, which run on 240V, are faster and more suitable for daily use. Choose your charger based on your driving distance and charging expectations. Evaluate your home's electrical system. Before you buy or install anything, evaluate your home's electrical system. A level 2 charger generally requires a 40 to 60 amp circuit. Consult a licensed electrician to check if your current setup can handle the load. Older homes might require a panel upgrade. Choose the right charger. Now, pick a charger that fits your vehicle. Most Tata EVs use a Type 2 or IEC connector. You can choose between a 3.3 kW or 7.2 kW charger depending on your car and wiring. Look for smart features like Wi-Fi connectivity and ensure it's weatherproof for outdoor installations. Get required permits. In many regions, you'll need an electrical permit before installation. Once installed, an inspection ensures everything is safe and up to code. Your electrician usually handles this process. Hire a licensed electrician. Professional installation is highly recommended. An electrician will install a dedicated circuit, mount the charger securely, and ensure all safety protocols like insulation and grounding are followed. Prepare the installation site. Pick a location near where your vehicle is parked, ideally within 3 to 5 meters. If you are installing outdoors, make sure it's well protected from the elements. The wall or surface should be solid enough to support the charger. Connect to power supply. Connect the charger using the proper gauge copper wiring, 2.5 mm for 16 amps or 6 mm for 32 amps. Make sure all connections are secure, properly earthed, and protected by circuit breakers. Test the installation. Once wired, use a multimeter to verify the voltage output. Plug in your EV to ensure it begins charging. If your charger supports smart features, pair it with the app for added functionality. Configure smart features. Download the charger's mobile app and connect it to Wi-Fi. This lets you schedule charging for off-peak hours, monitor energy usage, and control charging remotely. Maintain your charger. Regular maintenance helps avoid unexpected issues. Clean the charger periodically, inspect cables for wear, and keep the software updated for optimal performance. Safety tips and Indian guidelines. Always follow essential safety precautions. Avoid using extension cords. Use an RCB for leakage protection. In India, follow guidelines from the Bureau of Energy Efficiency and the Ministry of Power. Contact your local DISCOM if an electrical upgrade is required, and check for any available subsidies.